Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay April 20, 2026 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 20, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 20, 2026 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, April 20, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 20, 2026 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.